Hey media heads, and today we are circling back to an install we did a year ago at Jeff Bassman's. So he had our MartinLogan 7XW Monument in-wall speakers installed. They have back boxes, they are flagship level in-wall speakers. We had this person ask what we thought of them, how they performed, what they sounded like, even after break-in. I find that in-wall and in-ceiling speakers, especially due to the room, like this one, for example, it's very large, very open, weird angles. The issue that I find with rooms like this is that you always have reflections. You almost always can pinpoint exactly where the audio is coming from. I want to be immersed. I want it to be a wall of sound and music. I want it to be a total immersion of sound in surround sound. And most in-wall and in-ceiling speakers, I can pinpoint exactly where the sound is coming from every time. That is why I like floor standing and bookshelf speakers, because we have that cabinet for one, to give us better resonance, but then also to dig deeper and give us controlled dispersion. And what I mean by controlled dispersion is when the speaker actually directs the direction of the audio in a way that works for a space. That's really critical if you want speakers to disappear and for you to get a wall of sound, or in a surround sound setup, be completely encapsulated. These speakers, they disappear. I can't give them a better compliment. They have great highs, very detailed, but not overtly harsh. They have very punchy mids. Low end is pretty solid, but they only go down to, I think it's 60 hertz. So you're limited by them being in-wall speakers, but we have rel subwoofers to take care of that. Overall, I just find it a very pleasant listening experience. I could listen for hours and it wouldn't be overly harsh. It wouldn't be overly bassy. It won't be too harsh if you're listening to a core recording. It's revealing when you want it to be and not when you don't need it to be. Really, I think that MartinLogan just did what every speaker brand hopes to do, and it's remove the speaker from the equation. They wanted to give you what the artist intended. I hope that answers your question, and if you guys have any others, post them in the comments. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. See you, media heads.